before we begin, check out these dope new hats and shirts. Help support the channel. Trying to make more surfboards and then costs money to make these. Enough all this junk. Check it out. Okay guys, freaking stoked. In 2 weeks, we're going out to Hawaii to visit our friends. And during COVID, I bought the software, spent a ton of time teaching myself to CAD, and I've CADed some sick shortboards for our trip. This is gonna be so fun. 6'2" by 22 1/4, 2 1/3. Ooh, this is my step up for a little bit bigger day. Still pretty fat, pretty voluminous. I think it's about 37 liters. And this is a crossover, sort of for California as well, but I'm gonna take it out there. 5'9", super wide, fat shortboard. Also very voluminous. This has like 37 liters and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inches shorter than the 6'2". Oh, this is gonna be so fun. Okay, it's 2 weeks, I don't have much time. I've got finals coming up that I have to study for as well. So I'm gonna glass these boards. I think I'm gonna keep them mostly white. I'm not gonna mess with almost anything. Oh, very excited. I ordered custom stringers. I really like apple core stringers. And this is so sick, blue, natural blue. If these two particular models turn out really sick, I'm gonna start selling these. So, we'll see. Okay, so this is sort of an experimental board. I left a fair amount of volume in the nose and midsection, and then it really thins out in the tail. I'm just gonna see if this feels bulky in the water. I think it's gonna help me get into waves a little bit earlier. Oh, very freaking excited. Gonna do a little R&D in Hawaii. Ooh, this is the Samurai. I am super excited about this board. Packed a bunch of volume into a pretty aggressive short little package, a little bit wider midsection and tail to plane through flatter sections of the wave. I think this board is gonna be really responsive and snappy and hopefully hold a really good line up to pumpy head-high surf. Okay, I am so excited. Let's wipe these boards off. Oh man, this is sick. Oh, yes, this is gonna be such a sick board. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh, we fly out tomorrow morning. Still haven't packed. Gonna pack tonight. This is sick to the max. Okay, let's wipe off this guy. No way. Oh, this is gonna be so sick. Yes. Oh, I'm so stoked. Let's do this.
I haven't mentally prepared.
Perfect. All right, you guys are all set. Have a great rest of your morning, okay?
Hey. Free fall down and came up.
Woo!
Undinged.
No way.
Dude, Jada, that looks sick.
That looks super sick.
This is Kaylee's Samurai.
Yeah, the Samurai.
Yeah, this is like really sick.
Little Samurai logo.
That thing is sick. These are sick.
The
Pharaoh.
Pharaoh? Yeah.
They dinged my tail.
Oh no. Like
bad.
pretty bad?
Oh.
We're all like emergency.
Here. Oh, look at this son of a gun. Okay.
Dude, this actually looks like Ponape with this balcony.
This whole board and
Come look at
everything.
this.
This is like Ponape
6.0.
This is our ding repair shop.
Welcome to the Fab Shack Ding Repair Shop. We got some boards here that need some ding repairs.
That little bad boy right there. Yeah.
Yeah, baby! Woo! Oh!
Too excited.
I know. I got that on video! Exactly.
I'm gonna wait on my board here.
10 years ago, we were doing this in Ponte, and now we're doing this again. Nothing has changed. I was trying to do this during finals. I was like,
Yay!
I didn't try your brand new board.
I love this board, babe. It looks so good.
Oh, this thing looks sweet. Virgin wax. Okay, here we go. What's up? No, that was just a wimple. We've got a fun day. Go, go, go! Yeah! Yeah, Kaylee! First surf session down. Super windy, but had a few. Yeah. Guess what? We got twice down. Go, honey. Hop around. I'm so freaking stoked. This is so fun. Go. Party way. I'm going hot back there. Whoa! Zach Brown, try out the board. How'd you like it, dude?
It was pretty sick. Yeah.
Hopefully no dings from the inside.
I did it with the blue board, so I didn't want to duck dive too deep, so I got washed inside.
Oh no! Go!
Okay, go! James, go!
Oh! Ultimate surfer!
Oh! He did it!
Look at him!
What's up, guys? Where are we going? Okay, check it out. We're here. Do you know what's better than hiking? Surfing. Because do you know how much hiking you do when you're surfing? None.
Literally the beginning, you know, it's like an hour and a half.
I don't know.
Oh, look at this sick beach down here. Woo, look at that.
Too.
you asking to come? It's sexy.
Double rainbow. Here on the beach, camping here tonight. Woo! Ooh. Ooh.
Get out there, you guys are slacking.
Last surf of the trip. Oh, come on! Yes, that's a big old rock. Okay, guys. Oh, it's sharp. Yeah, that's really sharp. Okay, so we tried a different surf spot. It was blown out. Here's also blown out, but at least there's something. Last day of the surf trip. These guys are staying for another week. I hate y'all, but I'm stoked. Get a few last waves and blast home. Beautiful reef, pretty deep here. It's probably, I don't know, 5 or 6 feet. Don't think we're gonna hit the bottom? Oh, Zach! Yeah, you're perfect! Woo! Oh, I think you just fell right there. Oh! Nice! We're on it! Oh, what's this? Alien! Oh. Oh, airdrop! Get that! Make it? Oh! I think she got blown. Oh, she made it! She made it! No way! I thought she got blown up! What a wonderful last session of the day. This break is turning on. No one even wants to talk to me. They're too excited. They can't talk. Oh, Taylor! Double time. Maybe you did. Go, Taylor. Oh, it's me. Yeah! Well, girl, the very last day of the trip. Oh, fun little surf session. Zach and Whit are still out there, and there are a million parrots in there. Parrots. Ooh, Zach Brown putting the fancy water housing together. A bunch of camera gear. Ooh, Black Magic. That's stashed.
Oh, there it is.
Yes. Yes.